Alright, so the question of the day is, do you really need Amazon Echo in your car?
What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And if you're new here, I do videos just like this as well as ADHD tips. So if that sounds like your jam, consider subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, what's up fam? Welcome back. Alright, as you can see, I took that lavalier mic off. Having some issues with it. My bad. Anyway, I am back finally. Sorry about the hiatus on the tech videos, but I am back with something that I think or thought was going to be super cool. This is the Amazon Echo Auto, I believe is what they're calling it. This is Amazon Alexa for your automobile. And when I first heard that this was coming out, I think it was like a couple months back, I was given the opportunity to be put on a waiting list in order to pick one up and buy it. So I finally got that email about a week ago saying, congratulations, you're one of the chosen ones to get the Amazon Echo Auto. So I was like, okay, yeah, sign me up. That'd be cool. Do a review on it. I'm a big YouTuber. Yeah, right. So I got it in the mail and I haven't even opened this thing yet, although it kind of looks like I opened it, but I don't think I have. Let's crack it open and see what comes inside. Alright, so I immediately open the box and you can see it's neatly packed there. And let's check out all the accessories. The first thing I noticed is a dual jack for your automobile. One is for the Echo Auto, of course, and then the other is for whatever other device you need to plug up into it. There seems to be two cords in here. There's one micro USB to USB cord here that comes along with it, and let's see what this other cord is. Oh, this is your auxiliary jack. So you can connect this via Bluetooth, but if you don't have Bluetooth in your car and you have an auxiliary jack, you can hook it up that way. So it comes with that cable, and it comes with some literature here. Here it is, the Echo Auto. All your instructions on getting this little bad girl set up, and a list of things that you can try. Now let's take a look at the device. Alright, so here's the device here. Let's go ahead and get it out of this little wrapper. Alright, so there it is right there. Get you a good little view of it going all the way around it. That's where you plug in the auxiliary and your power, and you got your looks like your power button right there and your button right there to ask Alexa to help you out with something. Okay, so let's see if we got some juice in this thing and figure out how to power it up. Now one little interesting thing that I saw here, let me grab it. It shows you right here, you know, what's in the box.
What's in the box?
If you can see that. And one of the things it says that's in the box is the air vent mount. That wasn't in the box. And then when I picked this up, it's roughly around $27 for the package. I had to pay for the vent separately. So it's not in the box. But when I ordered it, it suggested it as a package to pick up the air vent. Let me show you that. So there that is right there. That is the air vent mount. We'll deal with that in a second. Let's see if this shipped with some juice in it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I switched and now I'm here at my desk. I'm not even sure if this thing has a battery in it. So I plugged it into USB and now it's working. I got it all set up. Just in regards to the setup process, it's just like setting up an Amazon Echo in your home. So you hook it up to your app if you already have one. If you don't, you download the app, go through the process, set it up, you're ready to rock and roll. But now it's like, I'm wondering, why do we need this in our car? So here it is all set up. I got the auxiliary that goes into the auxiliary jack in your car. As I mentioned, I got it hooked up to my computer speakers, and this is just an extra USB cable that I had lying around already to give it some juice, and it's all set up and ready to go. Now I'm wondering if, since it's connected to my Amazon Echo app, will it control the stuff in my house? Let's try it out. Turn creative space off.
Okay.
Okay, so it controls the stuff in my house. Turn creative space on.
Okay.
Alright, so that's pretty cool, but kind of have to be at home. What's the point? Unless you're on your way home, you know your house is dark, you want to turn your lights on, you can have her do it for you. That might be useful. Say you're on a road trip and you need some directions on how to get to your nearest 7-Eleven. Where's the nearest 7-Eleven?
Here are a few nearby ones. 1, 7-Eleven. 1. You can ask me for things like, take me to the first one.
Take me to the first one.
You'll need to tap the notification on your iPhone to start directions, when it's safe to do so. If you don't see a notification, you can turn these on in your iPhone settings.
Okay, I want to show you right here. So I just switched to the map app to give me directions to the nearest 7-Eleven. But the burning question is, can I just ask Siri to do that for me? I guess another cool thing you can do with this too, like say you have a Spotify or a Pandora account, now you can stream that from your car. So let's get out of whirl. Play my Kings of Convenience radio station on Pandora.
Kings of Convenience Radio from Pandora. Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music.
Tell me where to go, tell me what to do.
Stop.
Tell me what to say, matter if it's true.
She said she had trouble playing the music, but then she played it. Alright, so I'm on Wi-Fi right now, so the burning question is, in order to get all these functions to work, you're going to be using phone data. So let me turn my Wi-Fi off. So as you can see right there, hopefully you can see that. I'm on my phone data. For some reason I'm only getting 4G right now. Now let's see if it works on phone data. Where's the nearest Jack in the Box?
Sorry, I can't get your exact location right now. When it's safe to do so, check the location setting on your iPhone and change it to always allow.
Okay, fix that. Let's try it again. Where's the nearest Jack in the Box?
Here are a few nearby ones. 1, Jack in the Box. 1.
Okay, so just keep in mind that when you're in your car, you are using your phone's data. So depending on your plan, on your account, you may be sucking up some data because it's using your phone's data. Okay, so what are my overall thoughts on the Amazon Echo Auto? I don't think you need this. To be perfectly honest with you, I mean, granted, it's very affordable. I mean, I picked mine up for $27 and it came with the car vent hook. This thing does not charge up, so you're gonna have cords galore sticking out of here, especially if you're using your car's auxiliary jack in order to use it. This thing can't do anything that Siri can't do or Google Assistant can't do, and God forbid Bixby can do. So I don't know what to say about this. I just think it's unnecessary to say that I mean, you ask for directions and you have to complete the process by actually touching your phone. I could do that by asking Siri on my iPhone. I mean, or OK Google on my Android device. I don't need this. The only cool thing I see about this is, say like I'm out hanging out real late at night and I know that I don't have any lights on in my house. I can use this to control my smart home in my car. So that's the only benefit I could see from having this. Otherwise, I don't think you need this. I really don't. I mean, it's like I'm on the fence on if I even want to keep it, because I'm not going to use it. I'm really not going to use it. It doesn't do anything for you in your car that your smartphone can't already do. I honestly don't see the point in buying one of these. Sorry. Hey, let me know down in the comments if you picked up one of these and you feel the same way that I do, or you feel the opposite and you think this is the best thing since sliced bread and you love having this in your car. Hit me up in the comments. I would like to know. You got my opinion on it. And hey, if you like this video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. If you hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. But no matter what you do, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button down below and click that bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Once again, sorry about the long hiatus, but I'm going to be cranking out videos now. Just been a little busy with my videography that I do like on the side outside of YouTube, but starting to get back into the roll of things right now. So thank you for your patience, and until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with you right now. Oh, Christmas is around the corner. Maybe somebody else might like it.